All right, y'all, I got something to show you. This is the LiftMaster Security Professional model. This is probably one of the safest models, talking home security and personal safety. But it's great. I want you guys to listen to this run. So here we go. Look at that. This is the half horsepower model, LiftMaster Professional. This has some pretty good safety features. Got your safety rope in case something gets under the door. But we also have these ultra sensors here. Those are really nice. So if something gets in the way of the door, it will stop automatically without having to pull the safety rope here. There it is. Let me let this thing run again and I will show you some security features and then I'll show you some safety features. So here we go. All right, nice. So some home security features about this. One, I don't know if this will really fit into the security category, but you have a light on and off. It comes on automatically if it senses motion, I think. Let's check it out. No, maybe not. Maybe only when it's up. But yeah, there's your light. All right, next you have an electronic lock. Doesn't really make a noise, but there's your electronic lock. The light flashes when you press it. And one more really cool home security feature that I found is this. If you put down pressure on the door, take this, you can push it down all the way through there. Locks the garage completely. And then you can also add the electronic lock to lock it down. You can take one of these padlocks and put it on there too. That's 3 levels of security over there in that little boy. All right. So now after that, I'm going to show you some safety features of this garage door. One of the safest models, like I said. Well, first there's your rollers. Standard rails. This is an 18-footer equipped with viewing windows. Standard size garage door. There's your cables. They're down right now. And then your rails will be attached up there by some braces along with the half horsepower motor up there. So let's go ahead and bring it up and I'll show y'all some of the safety features. All right, the first safety feature I'd like to demonstrate is the laser technology over there on the ground. Can't see it, but it's so if something gets in the way of the garage, it will it'll reopen automatically. Go into emergency stop and then go to standby. I'll demonstrate. So, I put my foot down, stops automatically, flashes in emergency, then goes to standby. and it's ready to use again. Some older model garage doors will have you have to reset it, but this one resets automatically to operating position. All right, another really good safety feature is the safety lanyard. This detaches the garage door completely from the motor. So say somebody or something is under the garage door and the safety sensors will not stop it. What you do is you just go up and pull that cord, it'll stop completely. The motor will keep running, but the garage will stop. So I'll demonstrate that. So something's in the way, so you're just gonna come up here, grab the safety cord, and it goes back up. The motor keeps running though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and reattach that. So just to reset this, just want to fire the motor. And you want to wait till the joint gets here and just let it catch. It missed it. You have to pull that up first, I believe. So let's fire it once more. There we go. You have to reset it. That is actually one thing I didn't know about this garage door. You do have to manually reset the safety lever. When it gets fired, it'll go into this back position, so it absolutely cannot catch. But when you're ready to reattach, just pull it down and forward, and it'll go back up in that spot there. It's one thing I just actually found out about this garage door. So let's go ahead and fire it and reattach it. Here it goes. You may want to pull this so it can go in there. And it's in. And another thing, another additional safety feature is that it stops when it's like that. It just stops. Now I'm going to show you one more thing with this lanyard and then we'll be done. It is great to have this lanyard if your power is out. So say that a big storm comes and your power goes out. Nothing works, can't open the garage. Can't open it. So what you want to do is just come up to the safety lanyard, pull it, and the garage should go up. It will go up under its own weight. And if it doesn't, you can easily push it up to let your car through. Now, pulling it down is hard, but you can reattach it up here. Remember, reset the lanyard. All right. Now, let's reattach it. Let's fire the motor. Here it comes. And there it is. There it goes. Beautiful garage door. All right. That is the LiftMaster Pro Security, equipped with additional features. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.